Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in your Toyota Tacoma. First, gather all your tools, including a drain pan, new coolant, and a funnel. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin to avoid any burns. Park your truck on a level surface, which is crucial for safe and thorough draining of the old coolant. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Find the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator, and carefully open it. Position a large drain pan directly underneath to collect all the fluid, preventing spills. Remember to open the radiator cap on top. This allows air to enter, ensuring the coolant drains completely and efficiently from the system. Dispose of the old coolant responsibly. After draining, close the radiator drain plug and fill the system with distilled water for a thorough flush. Run your engine with the heater on high until it reaches its normal operating temperature, circulating the water. Once cooled, drain this flush water completely. Finally, refill the radiator with the specific Toyota-approved coolant mixture, ensuring you use the correct type for optimal engine performance and protection. With the new coolant in, run the engine with the radiator cap off to bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep an eye on the coolant level in the radiator and reservoir, topping it off as necessary until no more bubbles appear. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, carefully inspect all hoses and connections for any signs of leaks, ensuring everything is secure and functioning correctly for a safe drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.